Hey y'all, today I'm making shishito peppers again, so I thought I'd share my recipe. Thankfully, the ingredient list is super short. All you need are these shishito peppers, or any shishito peppers. We get these from H-E-B. You need chopped garlic. I chop it and smash the garlic. And this soy sauce. Today I'm using the sweet and the regular soy sauce. Also, you need sesame oil, and what you'll see here is the sesame oil heating up in the wok. And now you see that I'm adding the garlic to the wok. You can hear my dog outside, excuse her. I want to make sure here that the garlic doesn't burn too early on, but I do want it to get good and smoky. Next, I'm adding in the shishito peppers. I make sure that the wok is good and hot so that you get a good sizzle when you add the shishito peppers. I'm stirring them here so they don't burn, but I do want them to get blistery. You definitely want them to get a little blister going on all sides. Again, I'm trying my best to be careful not to burn the peppers. I do like them to have a little snap because that's how they are at Uchi. So I don't want them soggy or like limp. So again, that's why I'm moving them around, trying to get the blister effect, but also ensuring that they're not limp. So that's why I use the wok, because I'm cooking them really fast and trying to get them just how I want them. Here you see me adding a little more sesame oil. Can't remember if I told you guys that, but yes, you definitely need sesame oil. And so here I am adding a little more. Again, I'm shuffling the peppers around. Yeah, this is going to be good. Making sure that the garlic doesn't get too burnt. There you see I'm pointing out the blisters. That's how I want them to look. Again, avoiding them being mushy. So here is where I add the 2 soy sauces. And of course, once you add the soy sauce, don't be afraid of the fact that you're going to get, it's going to cook really well, and you're going to see a lot of smoke and hear a lot of sizzling, lots and lots of ASMR. Again, I'm shuffling them around. I also shuffle them around a lot because I'm using a wok and the heat is very high. So again, no burning. These peppers are done. Here you see them plated up, topped with garlic. They're nice and crunchy. I hope you guys make them and let me know how you like them. You only get one spicy one out of maybe every 20. Let me know how you like them. I hope you guys enjoyed this little cooking demo. I know I certainly did. So I'll try to do more. I don't cook often. Calvin cooks every night. So maybe I'll record him cooking and upload another video. You guys let me know. You guys are so awesome. Thanks for watching. Peace out from Fashion Craze Foodie.